My name is Mrs. Aisha Bello. I manage luxury residential properties in Eko Pearl Estate, Victoria Island, Lagos. I've been in this business for over 10 years, focusing on high-end apartments and villas. High-end properties attract long-term tenants and higher returns. I also enjoy creating premium living experiences for residents. Tenants expect exceptional services, timely maintenance, aesthetics, security, and privacy. One missed detail can affect tenant satisfaction significantly. Mostly through personal supervision, constant phone calls, and managing multiple assistants. It was very time-consuming. A family friend in Victoria Island recommended it. She said it helped streamline tenant management and keeps record professionally. I was actually impressed by how organized everything became. I could track tenants, payments, and maintenance requests from one platform. Tenants receive automatic reminders. Payments are verified instantly, which is very crucial when you are handling high-value leases. Luxury tenants expect quick responses. With the app, I can approve maintenance requests immediately. I can assign trusted vendors and track completion. It significantly improves satisfaction. Tenants feel valued because their concerns are handled professionally and efficiently. I can monitor occupancy, payments, maintenance reports in real time from my phone or laptop. It gives me full control without being on site constantly. Yes, I can track income, expenses, and cash flow accurately. It also helps me forecast revenue and plan upgrades or renovations. Lease agreements and tenant profiles are stored securely. I can verify tenants and track lease history, which is very essential in high-end properties. Absolutely. Tenants can view payment history and receive their receipts instantly. It builds trust and reduces disputes. Without question, it transforms management from stressful to efficient and professional. It's the ultimate for professional, stress-free luxury property management in Nigeria. Invest in tools that help you manage your property professionally. Luxury tenants expect excellence, and technology like this ensures that you deliver it consistently.